This will be another video, but it will be a kind of different because we will talk about the perks of having a beach house. So, perk number one, you will have a beautiful view of the city, a panoramic view during sunrise and sunset. You will always have this lovely view, even if it is kind of a challenging weather, like it's monsoon season right now, but the beach is so calm. That's the perk number one, the view. Perk number two is you can spend a lot of time in the shoreline, and having to run the shoreline that long, you don't need to exercise or you don't need to track run. You'll just run along the shoreline. Third is no need to check out or check in. Just visit the house. You'll have enough time. Work from home, work on the beach, work whatever. That's one of the perks of having a beach house. Having this kind of view will have a more calm and a relaxing despite of the meetings. And after that, when you want to do a quick break, you can just go outside the shoreline. 10 to 15 minutes break, it will surely rejuvenate your energy with this kind of view. By the way, the shoreline is very shallow. Then after maybe a 300 meters, that's the start of the cliff underwater. We have a lot of marine sightings. And also, having a beach house is best when you have a shade or you need a huge tree on your beach house. Two, because not all the time you'll be receiving all the sun, so it's not good. So you also need a shade. A perfect tree is a talisay this big, and you can also have a coconut, and there are a lot of newly grown coconuts, and also I grow a neem tree and talisay tree to shade the house not only from the sun but also from the wind, because during the typhoon you also need to cover up your roofs, because if no cover, your roof will be accepting all the tension of the wind, and that's very risky move. And also, if you have a beach house, you also need a good wall. We build the walling system so that we can extend the grounds bed. There's a payment on the DENR regarding this wall. That's a annual payment that will be discussed on the municipality just to extend the wall. So you have lawns and we can play around here, camp, tent, anything you want. That's the perk of a beach house. You don't need to worry about checking out during 2 p.m., checking in. As long as you have time going to your house, going home, it's fine. And also, what are the maintenance is that the steel bar should not be, and you should have a solid when it comes to beach, because rust because of the sea salt. It can damage your gates. Okay, so just to enjoy the beach, reflect during sunset. That's the amazing power of water. Yep. The calmness of the beach can greatly affect how you live a life. So that's the perks. That's the ultimate. You can do whatever you want. A lot of activity. Unlike in the city, you will be surrounded by walls, and you are limited. And there's minimal noise here. And when you want to wake up early, you get the early sun. You can have it in the shoreline. Now, this is one of the perks of the having a beach house. The ultimate perks. Okay. So that reflective view, and also you also need to prepare. There are a lot of expense that you need to prepare when you have another house, because you need to pay for the foresure list. The foresure list is the payment for the extended loan and adding some filling materials on the shoreline. That's a proper way to pay. And also internet connection, and luckily we have fiber internet here, so the beach and the internet mixed perfectly matched together. So working from home here is a breeze with this view, this kind of view. Okay. We also have a very silent neighbor here, so minimal karaoke. Just a few neighbors. That's the peaceful of the beach. And yes, if you're looking for a beach house, we recommend that you should purchase one instead of purchasing a house or a condo. If you have the opportunity and the financial, beach house is the best. Okay, the view and the calmness is a bonus. Um, Beach house, and we have coconuts. We can plant also. We can grow any in the garden. Not only coconuts, but I also grow guyabano, berries in the surrounding. We have short coconuts, dwarf coconuts here. A few papaya, dwarf coconuts. So, dwarf coconuts, we are currently not eating it because we want to multiply it right now as much as we can. So we let it age enough so we can grow another dwarf coconut. We also grow berries here in the house. Berries, berries or raspberries. These are called raspberries. And the guyabano. Guyabano, coconut dwarf. And some guavas in the surroundings. Guava and a little garden, ornamental plants. Ornamental plants. Oh, the famous Monstera, Manalo, and tara. Okay. The Monstera natural. Oh. santan, papaya, coconut, yep, raspberry. That's the guava. So that's how we can grow near the sea. And also these are basils. Perfect. 4. Now it's gone at 3. Previously I just brought it as a seedlings. And there's a squash. Aloe vera. Okay. Some malunggay. Still dwarf coconut. We also grow malunggay trees in the backyard. So we can have it. Okay. Ornamental plants.